It's Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and today marks the beginning of a potentially once-in-a-year blizzard that could bring hazardous conditions to many areas. We are expecting winds that may reach hurricane strength along with heavy snowfall. While some people might find the prospect of up to 36 inches of snow exciting and enjoy being out of school for at least 2 to 3 days in the most affected cities, this storm will also create serious challenges. Travel, school operations, and power availabilities will be affected for millions of people. There's also a risk of heavy freezing spray along the coast and the possibility of a few water spouts. And for the first time in over a decade, blizzard warnings have been issued for New York City. So in today's forecast, I will break down everything you need to know about this storm, which is expected to start affecting the United States within the next 1 to 2 hours and could last up to the next 48 hours.